Welcome to Vlogmas. All right, I'm Courtney Larvadane. This is my channel, Mackie Lane, and this is my first Vlogmas. I'm super excited. I am a day late, but I'm not gonna come up short. I am really pumped to do, I don't know, 25, 23 videos, however many is gonna get us to Christmas. Today, we are going to see Santa. Hopefully the kids enjoy it. I also am super excited because I have the new iPhone and I'm going to show you one of the vitamins that my kids take. So that's Vlogmas day one. Here we go. Are we gonna go see Santa today? Would you like to go see Santa?
No.
No, he's gonna be outside. Yes. Should we dress very warm and go see him? You don't want to do that? Okay, well, maybe Harper will want to go see him. Harper, would you like to go see Santa? No? Okay. Well, Mom wants to see him. Will you guys come with Mommy to see Santa? No. Well, that's what we're doing today, so hopefully everyone enjoys it. I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. This is the least form of my idea of fun. Outside in the winter, going to see Santa is absolutely near the bottom of my list of things to do. But we have children and the children should see Santa, even though they are terrified, indifferent, I don't know, whatever. So Trip didn't love it. Santa did not know what his name was, and that was that. But we were redeemed. There was a hot cocoa and s'mores making station afterward. So we got to roast a marshmallow, make a s'more, and drink some hot cocoa. That made up for the cold and a little boy who was not a fan of Santa. He was, however, a fan of these yummy marshmallows. My iPhone arrived today. I'm feeding Harper, so I'm multitasking, but I had to open the box the second it got dropped off at the door. The box is so much smaller than those old boxes used to be, like twice as tall, so that must mean there's nothing inside, but the phone, we'll see. Okay, here it is. I got the rose gold. It's really pretty. It's really heavy. I don't know, it feels a little bit heavier. And this is like metal on the side, so I've had a case on my current phone for so long, I don't even know what the phones look like. So let's get this front cover off. It is freezing. It's definitely been outside in the truck all day. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. I'm gonna need to get a screen protector ASAP. I am feeding the baby. I figured I would show you her vitamin D supplements. So these are by Zarbee's, and they are all natural vitamin D supplements. You give 0.25 milliliters every day. I just put it right in her baby food. It's super simple. I actually have been putting some of this on my food too, because who knows how we get vitamin D. I don't drink milk. We do yogurt and cheese, but not a ton. So figured we could all have a little bit. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my first ever Vlogmas, and stay tuned every day. Check back in for another installment of Vlogmas 2020.